Okay, this is lesson 20. Okay, we're studying time. Tell time to the minute. Okay, the minute is the little hands right here that you see. Okay, the minutes. Okay, obviously every large number is 5, right? So we're counting by 5s. The big numbers that you see, which are pointed by the the shorthand, are the hour numbers. Okay. Because what time does the clock show? The arrow hand shows that it's between 3 o'clock and 4, just right here. Okay, so it's between 3 and 4. So I know that it's 3 o'clock at least, right? Sorry about that. Yeah. It takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move from one number to the next. Okay, it takes 1 minute for the minute hand to move from one mark to the next. So it takes 5 minutes from this number, from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, every 5 minutes. And it's 1 minute from one mark to the other, those little marks that you see. That's what they're talking about. Okay. Count by 5s from 12 to 7. Well, let's count by 5s from 12 to 7. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. Then it says count 2 more minutes. 35, 36, 37. So it's going to be 3. 3 what? No. 3 what? It's right there. It's right. It's right in the display. 3:37. Okay, 3:37. Says look at the red arrows on the clock. And count by 5s and by 1s to find the minutes before 4 o'clock. Fill in the blanks. So from here I'm going 5, then what? 10, 15, 20. Right? 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I count from here. Well, 20 then. 21. After that. 22. 23. So how many minutes before 4 o'clock? How many? 23. 23 minutes before 4 o'clock. Okay. This is write the time in 2 ways. This one right here. We're looking for this one right here. Okay. So first, I'm going to write the one where it has what's the symbol called again? A colon. Okay, so the hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. So what hour is that? 1. And how many minutes? Let's count. By 5s first. 5, 30, and then it's 31, 32. 1:32. But how many minutes does that pass before we get to 2 o'clock? Right? Because what's the next number that the hour hand would touch? 2. Okay. Now I need to go backwards. So let's go 25. Then it's 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. There's 28 minutes before 2. By the way, if I add 32 plus 28, I should get 60, right? That's 10, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Yep. That's 60. That would be correct. How about the bottom one right here? What number is the hour hand pointing between what 2 numbers? 87. So what time would it be? 7. Because it's not past the 8 yet. And it looks like it's one mark below 9, right? How much would that be then? 44, because if it's pointing directly at 9, I know that's 45, but it's 1 mark less. 44. Okay. And it's how many minutes before? What's the next hour after 7? 8. So I need to find out how many minutes before 8 o'clock. Well, let's go backwards. I have 5, 10, 15, plus one more. One mark. 15, 16. I counted by fives first, and then I counted by ones. And I only had to move one mark. So it's 16 minutes before 8 o'clock. And if I add 44 plus 16, that's actually 60. It says write the time of the clock so each pair of clocks shows the same time. All right. So the hour hand is pointing between the 5 and the 6. So what time would that be? 5. And it's pointing one mark below the 3. 16. Well, I know that's 5, 10, 15, but then plus one more, that would be 16. And you tell me, what time is 5? Give me the hour first. 6, perfect, because it's past 6 before 7. And it's two marks after 4. 22. Because from here to here, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 21, 22. And that's how it works. Now I have to draw the hands, huh? Now it says to draw the hands. All right, 13 minutes after 4. So that means the hour hand is going to go between the 5 and the 4, right? If the 3 right here is 15, 15 minus 13 would be 2, right? That means two marks above that. So the minute hand is going to mark right there. Now that's 4:15, 13 minutes after 4. Okay. Here they want it is 13 minutes before 7. If it was before 7, the hour hand is going to go where? Between what two numbers?
8 and 9.
8 and 9, that would be 8 o'clock. 7 and 8, that would be 7 o'clock. 6 and 5, that would be 6. See, if it's before 7, that means the hour hand is supposed to be somewhere around right here. Okay? If it was here, that would be 6 o'clock, before 6. If it's here, that's going to be before 8. I don't want that. Okay? 13 minutes before 7. Well, do I need to go 13 minutes this way or 13 minutes this way? A or B? A, because it's before 7. So I need to go 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, right there. So the hour hand goes here, between the 9 and the 10, roughly. So now we're going to write it in 3 ways. Well, let's write it digitally, like this. What time would that be? Give me the hour first. 7?
No.
Wait. The shorthand. Where's it pointing to? It's pointing between the 9 and the 10, right? That would be 9. And how many minutes would that be? Now the longhand.
36.
Good, because it's one mark past 7. And I know that 7, that's 35, plus one more mark would be 36. You're right. Okay. So it's how many? So it's going to be, we're already past 7 o'clock, right? I mean, 9 o'clock. We're past 9 o'clock. So how many minutes past 9 o'clock? You just told me. 36. Now I need to go how many minutes before what? If we're past 9, what's the next hour? 10. 10. So now I need to go
Backwards.
backwards. Like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, minutes, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 minutes past 10, before 10. But 36 minutes after 9. Okay. Just look at the clock in problem 8. That's this one right here. Okay. What time will it be in 24 minutes? Oh, this is what I got to do now. Okay. Oh. How many minutes before 10? 24. So if I move this 24 minutes, what time's it gonna be? 10. It'll be 10 o'clock. Ten o'clock. Draw the hands on the clock to show that time. Yeah. Pretty much, yes.